Drink this purple herbal tea at night for a calming bedtime ritual after 60. When your body is tired but your mind will not switch off. After 60, sleep can become frustrating in a very specific way. You may feel exhausted all day. Your eyes feel heavy after dinner. You sit on the sofa thinking you will sleep early tonight. But then you lie down, and suddenly your mind becomes busy. You remember something from years ago. You think about tomorrow. You feel warm, uncomfortable, restless, or simply unable to settle into sleep. And the next morning, you wake up feeling as if you were in bed all night but never truly rested. This is why many people start looking for a calm evening ritual instead of reaching immediately for another cup of tea, a sweet snack, or sleeping pills. One gentle option is a warm purple herbal infusion made with dried lavender and butterfly pea flowers. It looks beautiful, tastes light, and can become a relaxing signal to your body that the day is ending. But let's be honest from the beginning, this tea is not a cure for insomnia. It does not replace proper treatment for chronic sleep problems, sleep apnea, depression, anxiety, pain, or medication-related sleep disturbance. What it can do is help create a calmer bedtime routine. And sometimes, that routine matters more than people think. Why a nighttime ritual can matter after 60. Sleep is not controlled only by tiredness. Your brain also learns from habits. When you watch bright screens late at night, drink caffeine after dinner, eat heavy meals close to bedtime, or spend hours worrying in bed, your body may receive mixed signals. You are physically tired, but your nervous system still feels switched on. A simple ritual can help change that. Warm tea. Softer lighting. A quiet room. No phone in your hand. A few slow minutes before bed. The tea itself is only one part of the habit. The bigger benefit may come from teaching your mind that this is the time to slow down. For adults over 60, this can be especially useful because sleep may become lighter and more easily interrupted with age. Pain, frequent urination, stress, medication side effects, reflux, and changes in daily routine can all make restful sleep harder. So rather than promising a sleep cure, think of this purple tea as a gentle transition from a busy day into a quieter night. The first ingredient, lavender. Lavender is widely known for its soft floral smell. Many people associate it with relaxation because the scent feels calming and familiar. Lavender has been used in teas, aromatherapy, soaps, bath products, and bedtime routines for years. Research on lavender is still limited, especially for sleep. Some studies of lavender products suggest possible benefits for anxiety or relaxation, but health authorities say the evidence is not strong enough to make definite claims about effectiveness. That does not mean lavender tea is useless. It simply means we should be realistic. A warm cup of lavender tea may help some people feel more relaxed because of the ritual, aroma, and quiet moment it creates. Others may not notice much difference. Bodies respond differently. Lavender is generally considered safe in the small food-like amounts used in tea. However, concentrated lavender products, essential oils, capsules, and extracts are different from drinking a mild tea. Oral lavender products can sometimes cause nausea, headache, diarrhea, or burping. For this recipe, dried culinary lavender is enough. You do not need lavender oil. Never add essential oil directly to tea or drink it unless a qualified healthcare professional specifically tells you to. The second ingredient, butterfly pea flower. Butterfly pea flower is the ingredient that gives this tea its deep blue-purple color. When brewed in hot water, the flowers release natural pigments called anthocyanins. These are the same family of plant pigments found in foods such as blueberries, blackberries, purple cabbage, and black rice. Butterfly pea flowers are often used in drinks because they create a beautiful blue color that can shift toward purple when lemon is added. There is real evidence that butterfly pea flowers contain anthocyanins and that hot water can extract these color compounds from dried petals. However, the sleep claims around butterfly pea tea are much less certain. Some early studies and traditional uses suggest possible calming effects, but strong, high-quality human evidence showing that butterfly pea tea reliably treats insomnia is still lacking. Much of the research is small, preliminary, based on mixed herbal products, or done in animals rather than people. So the honest message is this: butterfly pea flower can make a beautiful, caffeine-free evening drink. It may help you enjoy a relaxing ritual, but it should not be presented as a proven treatment for insomnia or as a replacement for professional sleep care. Why lavender and butterfly pea work well together? Lavender brings a gentle floral aroma. Butterfly pea brings the rich purple-blue color. Together, they create a tea that feels special enough to become part of your evening routine. And that matters because many people are more likely to stay consistent with a healthy habit when it feels enjoyable. A plain glass of water may be good for you, but a warm cup of purple tea in a quiet room can feel like a reward. That emotional feeling can make bedtime easier. Not because the tea forces sleep to happen, but because it encourages you to pause, to breathe, to step away from screens, to stop eating late, to sit quietly before bed. For many people, that is the real benefit. The best way to make purple lavender tea. You only need a few ingredients. Use 1 teaspoon of dried lavender flowers. Use 1 teaspoon of dried butterfly pea flowers. Add 1.5 to 2 cups of hot water. Let the tea steep for around 5 to 7 minutes. The water will slowly turn blue or purple. For a richer color, you can steep a little longer, but do not overdo the lavender because too much can make the tea taste bitter or perfume-like. Strain the flowers before drinking. You may add a small amount of honey if you need sweetness, but try to keep it light. A very sugary drink right before bed is not ideal for people who are watching blood sugar, weight, or nighttime reflux. You can add a small squeeze of lemon if you enjoy a brighter flavor. The lemon may change the tea color from deep blue to purple or violet. Drink it warm, not boiling hot. And avoid drinking a very large cup right before bed if you already wake up frequently to use the bathroom. A simple nighttime routine to use with this tea. The tea works best when you do not treat it like a magic drink. Use it as part of a bigger wind-down routine. About 1 hour before bed, turn down bright lights. Put your phone away or switch it to a low light setting. Avoid scrolling through stressful news, arguments, or social media. Prepare the tea slowly. Sit somewhere quiet. Take small sips. Let your body settle. Then go to bed around the same time each night. This kind of consistency can help your body recognize when it is time to rest. For people over 60, this is often more useful than constantly trying new supplements. A routine repeated every evening can be more powerful than a random remedy used once or twice. Who should be careful with this tea? Even natural herbs can cause problems for some people. Be cautious if you take prescription sleep medication, anti-anxiety medication, blood pressure medication, diabetes medication, or blood thinning medicine. Herbal products can sometimes interact with medicines, especially when used often or in concentrated amounts. Avoid using large amounts of lavender or butterfly pea tea during pregnancy or breastfeeding unless your healthcare provider says it is safe. People with allergies to plants, flowers, or herbal teas should start carefully. If you notice nausea, dizziness, rash, stomach discomfort, or unusual symptoms, stop using the tea. And most importantly, if you regularly struggle to sleep for weeks, wake up choking or gasping, snore loudly, feel sleepy during the day, or depend on sleeping pills often, speak with a doctor. Those symptoms may point to something more serious than a simple bedtime routine can fix. Final thoughts. After 60, good sleep is not just about feeling less tired. It affects mood, memory, energy, movement, appetite, and overall quality of life. A purple lavender and butterfly PT will not solve every sleep problem, but it can become a peaceful part of your night. It can give you a reason to slow down. It can replace late caffeine. It can help you create a calm moment before bed. And sometimes, that quiet moment is exactly what your body has been missing. Try it for a few nights as part of a full bedtime routine, not as a miracle cure. Then notice how you feel. Do you feel calmer? Do you fall asleep more easily? Do you wake up feeling a little more settled? The answer may be different for everyone, but a simple, caffeine-free ritual is always worth trying carefully.